Here's how to send messages to multiple contacts on WhatsApp all at once. If you have an Android, then to do this, you'll need to tap on the three dots from the top right, then you'll have to choose the option New Broadcast. And if you're on iPhone, then inside WhatsApp, simply tap on the plus icon, then choose New Broadcast. Now in the recipients or contact list, choose the people that you want to send the message all at once. Then press the tick mark and it will create a recipients group. But don't worry, nobody else will be able to see the group or the members. So now you'll be able to wish everyone Merry Christmas with just one message, and it will be sent to everyone individually. In the future, if you want to add or remove people, then just tap on the settings icon, then choose Broadcast List Info, and then edit recipients. Now you can add or remove people from the list. And after sending the message, if you go to the chat list, you can see the message is sent to everyone. And don't forget that you can also create multiple broadcast lists, and this way you'll be able to categorize people by groups. That's all there is to it. Hope this helped. Enjoy!